Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to learn the past simple tense in an easy and clear way. You'll understand how to use it and how to form sentences correctly. Let's get started. We have to know first, what is the past simple tense? The past simple tense is used to talk about actions or situations that started and ended in the past. These actions are finished, which means they're not happening now. We often use time words like yesterday, last week, or 2 days ago. Examples: I visited my grandma yesterday. They watched a movie last night. Regular verbs. Most verbs just add ed. Examples: watch, watched. Look, looked. Clean, cleaned. Play, played. You can say, we watched a horror movie last night. She looked at the board yesterday. She cleaned her room 2 hours ago. They played tennis last weekend. Regular verbs. Verbs that end in e just add d. Examples: dance, danced. Like, liked. Love, loved. Use, used. You can say, they danced together. She liked the dress. I loved that song. He used the phone a lot. Regular verbs. Verbs that end in a consonant plus y. Change the y for I and add ed. Examples: cry, cried. Study, studied. Try, tried. Worry, worried. You can say, the girl cried loudly. We studied English last week. They tried again and again. She worried too much. Regular verbs. Verbs that end in a consonant plus vowel plus consonant. Double the last consonant and add ed. Examples: stop, stopped. Chat, chatted. Drop, dropped. Pin, pinned. You can say, he stopped the car. We chatted after the lesson. She dropped her phone. He pinned the note on the board. Irregular verbs. Irregular verbs don't follow any rule. Irregular verbs. Some change a bit and the past simple, like meet, met, make, made, get, got. You can say, I met my friends last week. She made a cake. They got a gift. Irregular verbs. Some change a lot in the past simple, like be, was or were, go, went, do, did. You can say, we were sad last week. We went to the park. I did my homework. Irregular verbs. Some stay the same in the past simple, like put, put, cut, cut, coast, coast. You can say, she put her keys here. Mom cut the cake. It costs too much. Irregular verbs. The verb read have the same spelling but different pronunciation. Read, read. Irregular verbs. We need to learn irregular verbs by heart. And that's it for today. Now, you know how to change any verb easily into the past simple. Keep practicing and try to convert different verbs on your own. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye!